Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make one yummy snack mixture. These are the ingredients that I'm gonna mix in the bowl. One bowl of salt, one bowl of chopped onions, one bowl of boondi. This is the extra bowl and spoon because we should put these three ingredients into this bowl, then we should mix with the spoon. Now I'm gonna mix these three ingredients inside. 2 spoons of salt, 2 spoons of chopped onions, and 2 spoons of boondi. Now we are gonna mix it. I wanna mix it when the 3 ingredients got mixed up correctly. I think now it's mixed up. Now we'll take 1 spoon. We'll take the spoon and one taste. We'll try if it's yummy or not. Yummy. If you want, you can try it in your home. And if you want, you can do it by yourself, or you can copy my video. Thank you everyone.